What is the main purpose of the final sentence of the first paragraph? A. To counter a likely objection. B. To suggest future implications of a phenomenon. C. To provide further details. Or D. To illustrate the significance of the distinction. Let's begin by taking a look at not only the final sentence of the first paragraph, but the sentences preceding it to understand the context. She first came to Tokyo in 1964. Back then, she said, there were 400 geishas in the Akasaka district. Today, there are just 21, a decline mirrored across the country. Looking through our choices, we can see that there is no objection being made. For example, someone claiming that there are more than 21 geishas, or that the number hasn't declined to such an extreme. This can be marked as incorrect. B, to suggest future implications of a phenomenon, could possibly be our answer, as perhaps this sentence is hinting to us that in the future, this number will become even less. However, because this isn't said straight out and is merely something we're guessing, let's keep an eye on it as we check out our other choices. C, to provide further details, isn't accurate, as there are no details provided as to why this decline occurred. We do see the passage delve into this in the next paragraph, but it isn't accurate to say that this is the purpose this sentence states. And D, to illustrate the significance of the distinction. This is likely our answer. This sentence emphasizes the sharp distinction between the past and present numbers of geisha in the Akasaka district, 400 to 21. Because the sentence highlights the difference, or distinction, we can see that this is a better choice than choice B, and we can mark choice D to illustrate the significance of the distinction as our final answer.